go ahead and begin at number 25, measure 25. This is an area that's divisi, so it means you take the top or the bottom note. If we were in class and we had stand partners, the person on the outside or closest to the audience would take the top note, and the one on the inside of the stand would take the bottom note. So for now, just pick a note that you want to play. Measure 25. 1, 2, and 3, and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop there. Now it's really easy to get lost when you have multiple repetitive eighth notes. What you can do is with your eyes, take the whole measure as a whole. Take that whole measure, especially if the note stays the same, and keep the beat in your head to know when to move your eyes to the next measure. Try that. Here we go, measure 25. 1 and 2 and ready and play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. I hope that helped you. Now let's do that again, but let's continue to letter A. 1, 2, ready and play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Keep going. Stop there. Remember, in the last clip, you're supposed to make those adjustments to the notes, cello, bass, and viola. Now we're at letter A. Letter A again is divisi. It's made smaller or abbreviated by DIV, but it's the same exact thing. You either take the top or the bottom. But there's some other things here. There's some dynamics, mezzo, piano. We're supposed to be playing softer. The articulation is legato, which means smooth, so connecting your bows. And then at the end of this same line is crescendo poco a poco. Poco a poco means little by little, so you're soft and you get a little louder. And then finally at measure 41, that's where you're supposed to really be playing forte. Don't forget the whole note at measure 44, appo, right? Let's go ahead and start on measure A. Measure A, letter A, this is measure 33, legato. 1, 2, quiet, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Little bow, not too much. 1, 2, here we are, crescendoing poco a poco. 439. So that crescendo poco a poco really requires your intellect to start soft with less bow, and then to increase bow at the amount of bow, and also the weight of your arm and hand. Finally, okay, we're going to go down to 45 to the end. Now, you'll notice at measure 47, you have those repetitive eighth notes again. Count 1, 2, 3, 4 to stay on track. Measure 3, well, 3 from the end, so it's 47, 48, 49, 50. Look at measure 50. We have those sideways V's, which are accents. We play with force. And the rhythm here is different than any we've had. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So it's a little different. Let's try playing this together. Right there, measure 47, 48, 49, 50. 1, 2, and ready, go. 1, 2, and 3. Good, again. 1, 2, and ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Let's do it slow ones. 1 and 2 and lazy slow. Here we go. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Now back to tempo. Ready? Go. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Good. Now let's add the rest. So start there and keep going. Careful with the rests. Okay, sniff if you need to. That's a great way to make sure you rest. 1, 2, and ready, go. Again, 1, 2, and ready, go. Starting 45, all the way to the end. 1, 2, ready, end. Here it is again. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, there you go. There is that same rhythm back at 46. I spoke incorrectly. Okay, now if that's too fast for you, go rewind this and slow it down on the YouTube, and you can play with me slower. We're gonna start now at measure 25 and play all the way to the end, okay? Again, if that was too fast for you just now, slow me down. Slow it down, Miss St. It's too fast. But that's the tempo we're gonna take. 1, 2, measure 25 to the end, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note, half note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Half note. Smooth and soft. Okay, keep practicing this verse. There's a lot going on here nearing the end. Good work, 7th graders. Bye.